What's up guys, and welcome back to another episode of Carholics. Now this is going to be a very quick episode and more of an update on what's going on with the 4C. Now for those of you that saw my last video, you'll know that there was some damage on the rear end of the car and the paintwork that happened when the car was new and it needed to be addressed. Now I finally managed to book it into a spray shop, so I'm using the guys' paint chip at Brent Cross. I've been using these guys for years. They're absolutely fantastic. They weren't even supposed to be doing the repairs until later on in the week, but they managed to fit me in today. I only dropped the car off here 2-3 hours ago and it's already prepped for painting. So before they go any further, I've asked them if I can quickly run in and show you guys exactly what the damage was, because now it's been sanded down, it's a lot easier to see. After that, they've also very kindly mixed me up two colours for the wheels, two colours that I'm going to paint the wheels in, and I'm going to show you guys which one I've chosen. So let's go and have a look. So for those of you that saw my last video on the 4C, you'll know that there was a bit of damage on the car when I picked it up from the dealership. That wasn't their fault. It came like this from Alfa. So it's going to be repaired and it's actually in the spray shop today. So before they actually get to the spraying, I thought I'd show you guys exactly what was wrong. There was lots of chipping all the way around the car and imperfections in the paintwork, but the main issue was round the back here. Now if I just jump here, you'll see this little chip which will show a lot better now on this video than it would on the last, because it's all been sanded down. And after that, all of this area needs to be resprayed. So all this white and grey stuff is where all the damage was. It's a lot clearer now. And if I scroll around the back here, you can see it sort of fades into the nice shiny paint. So all of this matte stuff is going to need to be resprayed all the way to there. So it should look a lot better once it's done. Now let's go and take a look at the colours I've chosen for the wheels. Right, now in terms of the wheels, I have never ever painted the wheels on any of my cars before, so this is a completely new experience for me, and I thought it was going to be quite easy. Turns out there's so many colours and finishes, I'm getting a bit flustered here. So, they prepared me two colour panels. Now the first one is this colour. It's a 20% black, I think it says on the back, yes, 20% black, mixed with some silvers, and it's very coarse. It's got this really cool grainy effect on it, but when I saw it and put it up against the wheel, I was like, no, I want to go a bit darker than that. So they've now done 40% black, which I think is the real winner. It looks absolutely amazing. If I hold these next to you, I'll hold them next to each other rather, you can see, if the autofocus here, it's got this very grainy effect on it. And this one has that grainy effect too, but looks absolutely fantastic. You can see there where I actually smudged it with my finger. But I think this is the real winner. Really, really fantastic. If I take it over to the car and show you, I think the darker colour looks a lot better against the wheels. I think the other one was a little bit too light and it wasn't that much different. And also what I like about this, I don't know how it comes out on the camera, but it's been matched very, very closely to the carbon fibre on the car. So I think this is, you know, the gloss finish on it is really, really going to look very, very good. Right guys, so as you can see, they've shut the spray shop now to stop any particles or wind or rain or birds coming in to crap all over my car whilst they get on with the spraying. Now they've told me it may even be ready by tomorrow, Tuesday night. That'll be amazing, but I won't pick it up till Wednesday because I want to take some pictures of it in the light and see it when it's all polished and shined up. Really, really excited about that. So I hope you've enjoyed this little video. I hope you enjoy, you know, being updated on the 4C and what's going on with it. Remember to give the channel, well the video rather, a thumbs up. Comment as well. I always like your feedback, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you next time. Take care guys.